in the tense moments of using the watch to track your heartbeat, real good detail. The music, I mean, I'm not gonna talk about the fucking music because I don't know any of the fucking songs they played in because I thought it was trash. But like the the sound effects of like the tension with the heartbeats when he's about to kill somebody with the sniper or whatever, the bubble. I mean, I don't know how to say it, but like, or just make that, but that sound was just a kind of disgusting sound. Like your number two, like when you put, can you put, that's what it sounded like. But then throughout the whole movie,
no.